you're playing bike obby, but you're a parkour master. So if the game calls us parkour master, then I'm gonna zoom in parkour master. Like zoom in like time. And zoom in. Did I just go on top of that? That's I'm like speeding. I'm gonna get arrested for speeding on the bike. Well, there's no way you can speed on a bike. Like you're running with a while sitting on the bike. I think that covers it. So why am I back? Because I keep touching my feet in the ground and I'm running now. And my scooter's fast. Bro, I'm so fast right now. I'm dashing through my way, bro. But there's two bacon hairs trying to beat me, so I'm gonna beat them. Boom. Easy. No! Dang it! And also, the right side is my favorites. And never mind, the left side is my favorite now.
Eh, dami mong kalat.
No, dang it. Stay cautious. Boom, easy. Bro, this is difficult, and there's a person fighting me right now. Do they hate me? Why did they hate a YouTuber? Bro, I just hit 200 subs, bro. I just hit 200 subs, and someone's stabbing me right now. Dude, I just hit 200 subs. You have 200 subs? I don't know.
Hindi mo muna yung pagkain mo, Ken. Mamaya na yung record, Ken, mamaya. Kasi yung pagkain mo kanina pa nandyan. Ate, kain na.
Easy part. This is the easiest part. Easiest parkour was ever. Hold on, I think I wanna buy...
Papato ko yan, tingnan mo. Nakita mo yung nandun sa video? Tinapon sa basurahan yung cellphone, tsaka yung ano. Tatapon ko yan, kasama ko si Winwin, tatapon ko din si Winwin. Ano? Nagbayad? Hindi.
Alright, this is easy. We're just having dinner. Or lunch. The morning eating. At the night eating. Dinner is night eating. Your lunch. Your meal. And afternoon lunch is... You know what afternoon is? Yeah, you gotta have lunch in there. And lunch. You have lunch in the morning. That covers it.
Let na hindi na dapat mo. Teka, kuha ka ng kuha nito.
Now since it's soon to do this. Oh, I think the game just restarted. Go. Hey yo, this guy is beating me. Nah. I wish I have a private server. True love and peace. Peace and love. Peace and love. Peace and love.
Good afternoon po. Papalit ka na ng silupang ka, mukhang lupa.
Easy.
Sabi mo lupa. At lang yan mo to. Pinabayaan mo na yung bago, wala naman susubo.
Skibidi jump up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you kidding? Bruh. But Now I just have to zoom out over here to there and there. This YouTube account is gonna be easy. I'm trying to be a YouTuber, huh? And being a YouTuber is kind of easy, and I'm beating everyone. look at the scoreboard. I'm in the one in the front.
Dalawa naman yung kutsara.
Oh snap! No, this one is difficult.
Ayun na nga yung chicken mo. Ba't kumubura pa sila chicken ko? Tatapon ko yung cellphone. Kasama ko yung pagkain mo. Kasama ko yung cellphone. Ha? Nata mo magtapon dyan.
Buksan pala tsaka iskusawal yung kailangan.
I guess I was just doing something. And oh snap, bro, it's close. Bro, the black player is closing on me. So I gotta beat him. I'm studying. Go fast. Easy. Yeah.
Dapat perfect, walang kalat.
87. Wow. Easy.
Ang daming kalat.
And Scooby-Doo. Easy-Doo. Bro, we're still at the first level, bro. It's not that hard. It's just difficult. Oh my god, my parents are putting in funny mode. Funny mode.
Good afternoon, Luz.
What in the world did mom say? And easy. Easy.
Sabi naman tuminong, tumipilita ko. Kel, yung gatas mo, ano? Hanapin mo ulit. Pinapalo mo, di ba? Search mo account, tapos gagawin mo.
Oh my god, bro. I'm
Pinapalo mo ganun.
done, bro. I'm putting complete. Holy shit.
Sinansi. Tapos, pinag-search ni God.
Easy. I beat the robot. And I'm pretty sure this way, right? I'm pretty sure I remember. Yep. I remember correctly. And hit another checkpoint. And alright. This game is too easy.
Basta as long as pag si Winwin umiiyak,
One more round. I'm up. Skies up.
Kanila. Hindi yung kahit sila panonood mo pa rin ang nanas mo.
What in the world are these people doing?
Mabaho nung
No. Oh. I got it right.
Ito na no, ilang araw ko masawayin, Chen. Kaya na siya, sweetie.
Oh my god, my shirt is poking right now. Easy. No guts. Get me out.
Mukhang gano'n, Gogi.
We gotta beat this robot.
Mukhang gano'n.
Oo, edi sayang yun.
Hindi.
Parehas din.
Mukhang pagkapagang ang sinabi ko.
Oo.
Well,
Na gano'n. Hindi ko kasi kami nagbebenta ng...
oh, I'm the front of the line, bro. In 5 minutes. Easy.
Sabi mo, kahit yung pick up mo bayad na yan.
Diba?
Oo. Kahit yung pick up mo bayad na yan, tapos...
But I'm beating these guys again.
Pati mo yung bill.
Easy. I know.
Kaya lang, naman,
I know the perfect
picking lang. Di ba?
Yung dampot yung mga nanguhulog ah. Dito ang ako. Ito ang kain na ako.
Oh, guys, I forgot. I started before I recording, so okay, look at my money.
Ay, gaga? No, no, no.
Yung ko ito nalalagay ko naman po ito.
Si Castelo, nakaubos na kami, oh.
Easy zoom.
Ilang siya lang.
I see the end. I see the end. I see the white.
Mag-good afternoon ka dun. Tignan mo, magkakaon na lahat siya.
And yay! Well, you wanna join this game? It's a weird name, but just search by Kobe and you're gonna find the game randomly. Well, see you later. Bye. Like and subscribe. First, bye.